Well, shoot. Bubby and Bud out here. We're waiting for our flight. The only way I like going to Argentina.
Argentina and Alaska on that plane. You're fired from Ado. You're fired. Bubby and Bud out here. Sky Harbor Airport. Going to gate C9. That kid just ate shit right there. Right there, it just fell. Anyway, she's fired because she's a terrible filmer. But we're flying to Wisconsin right now, currently Bubby and Bud, because I got a deer hunt and he's gonna film it and we're just gonna make some more videos out of no deer hunt. This is gonna be sick. This is gonna be epic.
We're gonna shred the boonies and get shitty pretty much. That's about it.
Yep.
Right, Bubby?
Yep.
Alright.
Peace out.
Oh my god. Thank you!
Oh my god!
America.
Thick brava.
It's all about them wheelies, bro.
Y'all got porn?
Around this thing.
You guys got Playboy magazine?
No, just kind of houses. The one that has black on it is. Hey Leo, this is Jamie. Can I get the 5 o'clock numbers?
What are you getting, bud?
No, you don't. I do. I bought it from this exact airport.
He's in his wild habitat. We're gonna sneak up one. We're gonna sneak up one.
Is there any kid things? No, not really.
What? Have a boat day. I guess you're Canadian, huh?
This dude's head looks like the back of a beaver. The cashier lady just thought that me and Bud were Canadian. Well, Bud was Canadian. She goes, "So you're Canadian, right?" He goes, "Yeah." That's whack. Wait, no dude about it. He sucks at being Canadian. No, little yachty, bro. Let's just mob this thing.
I should have checked this further.
This is quick tips with Bud.
And we're doing 5 tips on how to install Crest 3D white no slip white strips. So first step of unboxing is you get your white strips, you peel open the top part, gently removing and caressing the bottom part.
Step number 2.
You grab your white strips in the 1 hour express. Step number 3, you get your daggum coupon and you drop the coupon.
Because who needs coupons, right?
Step number 4, you get your enabling white strips and you put them and you open them on your teeth.
But
Second step is you get your daggum whitening strips, you pull them out. Not really sure how.
as you can tell, he's not that good at pulling out. Oh my god, you got white strips! I just realized that we were talking about this whole time.
Well shoot, I can't get them off the daggum thing.
Well shoot, stay to the right side.
Thank you. Yes sir.
Howdy, partner. What a city slicker. Anyway, where are we at?
I don't know, you get your damn white strips, put them on your teeth I guess. Like you tell.
Well, let's get a before and after. Oh, dadgummit. God, yes.
Installed correctly. Bubby, go. Go, Bubby, go. That does. Go for it.
I'm 35.
Oh, you're more than welcome. It's all good. It's just a number.
I thought you looked younger than 35.
Shoot, go for it.
Go right ahead. All you guys, go for it.
Oh, they respect their grandmas. Yeah.
Not my grandma.
That's going good.
Thank you.
That thing when you find a great can. That's right.
Go for it.
Oh yeah, bud.
We gotta go find her mom now.
Mom!
Christy! We done lost her mother. I'm gonna get into the building, but it's a bit.
Securely fasten their seat back straight to.
Waiting for the luggage.
About out here dropping gears and passing queers.
Everywhere I go, people stop and say, I'm only 5 years old. My mother got rest her soul.
Bubby and Bud out here, back in Wisconsin, the Amigo, and we're back out here. This is our first full day.
Yeah, first full day.
First full day, Monday. I woke up at like 5 this morning to hunt deer, which I didn't kill. And then we're going to...
Oh shit. Bubby and Bud out here. Me and Bubby are about to play a game called What Are the Odds? With What Are the Odds, what you do is, so I would tell Bubby to do something, and I go, what are the odds? And Bubby goes, 5. And we go 3, 2, 1, and then we both say a number in between 1 and 5, and if we say the same exact number, then Bubby's got to do it. We're gonna have Bubby.
What are we doing, Bud?
We're stopping Bubby because you can't think of nothing.
Yeah, I can't think of
Alright,
anything.
well, I'll do it then. Alright, Bubby. Give me the camera.
Is that... No, you're fucking lying. No, I know what you're gonna say.
Alright, Bubby. What are the odds you go up yonder and smack one of them Betsies right on the behind?
Doesn't that guy live down there?
Hey, 1 through 5. On the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 3. 4. Oh, you did it too late.
What do you mean,
did
brother?
it too late. One more time. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2. 5. Daggone.
Thank the Lord, I don't have to do it. Oh my god, my heart was racing. Damn English. There's just little swimming creekers you go to. What are the odds you jump in the swimming creek?
It's like 20 degrees down here.
What are the odds?
Fuck it. Let's do 4.
4?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me make sure it's recording. Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 3.
Gotcha.
Alright, Bubby.
Shit.
What are the odds that you jump in the creek?
4.
Alright, ready?
God damn it!
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 3.
Holy shit! Too close to comfort. I think he's coming. Go for it! Here he comes. Oh shit. That wasn't supposed to happen. I'll tell you something for free. He did not mean to do that. Hell yeah, bud!
Alright, Bubby. What are the odds you jump out of the meager going 10?
3.
Shoot. 3, 2, 1, 2.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh god!
Oh shit!
Oh god!
Bubby dang it!
I'm gonna break my legs!
Oh shit!
In time that where memories will fade, 'cause he's racing.
Getting her up to 10.
He's fighting and fighting and riding.
But I gotta jump out this fucking door, right?
Yep.
Oh shit, that's more than 10. Oh fuck. Get closer to the grass.
Hurry, we don't have those.
Thinking of someone for whom he still burns. 'Cause he's going the distance.
My ass money or what?
Oh shoot!
He's fighting and
Alright, Bubby and Bud out here in the middle of Hindu Egypt. And we're playing some what are the odds, right? I got one for you. What are the odds you run buck ass naked through that corn right there? Hold on, let's just prove that I'm at the corn because I just
We're saying 2.
hand chuck corn. What are the odds? What are the odds? I'll let you go up to 10.
I'm feeling a little risky, bub. Let's do 3.
3?
3.
Okay.
3.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Let me do the countdown.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 2. Oh, farts.
But
Oh, dude. Oh my. Ow. Fuck, dude.
he hit himself on that. So anyway, I won the what are the odds? And it's already like flooded here because it's raining and it's freezing. And so that's flooded, but I'm still gonna jump into it. They're not ladybugs, that's a frog. Bubby, just Bubby out here.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh, I can't feel my legs. Oh. I can't feel my legs. I like really cannot feel them.
Is it that cold?
It's freezing. Oh my god.
There's a wasp on your head.
What? Is it gone?
Yeah. Well, Bubby and Bud out here.
Where's my shirt?
Day 2. We're gonna keep playing What Are the Odds. We're gonna see what happens and pretty much just gonna get shitty all day today.
Yeah. I'll show you what it really looks like down there in a second. Hey bud.
Yeah.
What are the odds you get the Amigo stuck in that puddle?
Like genuinely stuck or just stuck?
Like, you take her and you just take her through the puddle, and if you get stuck, you get stuck.
We'll do 5.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 3.
Oh, shut up, dude. How come every time
Bud's,
I do this,
Bud's taking it through the water. Here we go, Bud.
Alright.
Oh, yeah! Here goes Bud. Anything you gotta say?
Banging gears and passing queers.
Oh my god, he's doing a burnout. Oh shit, it's stuck. Yep. Oh no! Damn. If you need bug control, call Bubby and Bud. This is how we get rid of bugs. Get them on the inside. That's all I care about. On the seat. Isn't it? Yeah. Look how nasty them things is. Bubby's gonna have a damn heart attack. I can do fine with bugs, but when it comes to fucking ladybugs, and there's thousands of them, I'm gonna pass. I'm up in my laugh. Oh, that's one of them nasty ass ones.
Alright, Bubby and Bud out here. About to go into a class 3 fucking hurricane.
With the fucking amigo!
Windy, we're seeing winds about 60 miles an hour.
65 miles an hour!
60 fucking 5!
Goddamn, Bud!
About to be lit!
Okay, so we just went to a fireworks store. Oh, you learn how to drive a clutch. Anywho. Anyway, we got some Roman candles. So we're gonna do a nice little Mexican standoff. And soiree. Probably gonna blow each other up.
Bud got a haircut.
Oh god, he did. He looks like a Mormon Jew. I'm kidding, that's not even a thing, you idiot. So actually, there's a tornado warning. We're being serious, we are now. The wind speeds are about, what are the wind speeds, Bud?
14 miles per hour.
14.1 actually. Anywho, we're heading back because there's a tornado whistle.
Grade 3, class number 1
You see all that? Holy!
We just got hit by a hurricane.
God no!
The
tornado just came through.
I don't know why you keep calling them hurricanes. They're really tundocane or dadgummit fucking tornadoes. D-gum.
The tornado.
He'll climb. He'll climb.
Downshift into third or second. Oh God! Oh Jesus! Okay. Anyway, we as we said, there's a tornado warning, and then we're that little town to get back to the cabin, and all that shit was ripped up. God. Anyway. Okay, so Bud thinks he's cool stuff because he can shift a freaking car, I guess, and he thinks he's really good, but he really sucks. I'll hold that. You want your hand or your face?
That was a downshift into third from fourth. This is what you do. This is called race car things. You see this corner coming around, a big turnpike. What you do, hit the clutch, hit the gas at the same time, downshift into second, give her some gas, shift into third once you get into the straightaway, and you give her some gas. Then you floor it, right? Then you're coming up on another turn, you slow down a wee bit, shift down to fourth, get a little speed, slow down a little
There's
more.
too much to film!
Rev match, and you fucking whole fucking booty cheeks.
Oh,
get a little shitty there. Now, you got a long open straightaway, so you just bang gears, right? Banging gears and passing clears is my life motto. So now we've hit 5th gear. Can't do much in 5th gear, daggum. But guess what you can do? You can drop gears and you can pass clears at the same time.
Cool here. See, we just bounced right there, Bud.
Yep. So look, there's another one right here.
Ready? Drop the gear. Oh, bump the gear.
Drop the gear.
Up the gear. Oh, Nero queers.
Shit.
Nero queers.
This one's called free coast. See, no foot, no clutch, no brake.
That means it's a neutral when you do that.
When you're really feeling feisty, you can go into fourth, but you got to give it a little rev match so you don't fuck up the transmission, right? You also got to make sure you have an adequate amount of blinker fluid in order for your transmission and differential to work just fine.
I thought that helped with the amount of clutch shifting you can do.
No. Well,
by the way, if you know, blinker fluid is real. Someone will. Anyway,
Bubby and Bud out here.
You did the last intro and outro.
Bubby and Bud out here. We got stuck in the daggum hurricane out by a random barn at some random person's house. We're gonna see what the fuck happened.
Anyway, this is it.
And man. It's raining men. Hallelujah. It is raining men. Anyway, that's it for this video. We'll probably drop another one on, what day are we going on? Thursday. God damn, yo. Anyway, we should probably get inside because there's going to be a damn tornado. So, this is it. Anything you got to say, bud?
Stay gorgeous.
Don't do
Eat
drugs
ice
unless
cream.
they're free. Eat ice cream and fuck fat bitches. Woo! See you later. Bubby and Bud out.